We're making the best effing grilled chicken sandwich ever recipe tonight on Cooking with Jon. Fire in the hole. Fire in the hole. Oh, got the bubble over. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's fucking full of shit. Okay, well, I'm glad she's a fitness instructor, but she's not a chicken. Welcome back, guys. As I said, tonight we are making the best effing grilled chicken sandwich recipe ever on Cooking with Jon. Well, that's what it's called on the website anyway. It's courtesy of where is it? Serious Eats. So if you don't know what we do, guys, we go online, find yourselves a recipe, get stuff, come home, cook it. Simple as that. Do it all year. Do it 113 of them so far, something like that. And we're also looking to set a world record, most consecutive days cooking a different dish off the internet without ever repeating it. And we're on day 52 of that. So it's been a hell of a good time so far. Anyway, guys, let's get to this chicken. I'm looking forward to it. Alright, welcome back, guys. We are starting with our chicken. It calls for us to beat our meat first. So, well, our chicken anyway. I'll often get to beat your meat on camera and get away with it. So, we're going to start with beating our chicken. Pounder or two, about an inch, about a quarter inch it tells us to. Give it a pound in between a couple layers of saran wrap. Alright, take that chicken. Another one. There you go. So once our chicken is thinned out, there we are. So we have 2 quarts of cold water and a quarter cup of salt and a third cup of sugar. This is our brine. Stir that together. So now we're going to add our chicken to the brine, and it is going to soak in the fridge for about half an hour. So for our paste, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of oil, jalapeno roughly cut, quarter cup of avocado, about a quarter cup of cilantro, juice of 1 lime, and a couple teaspoons of water, and puree until it's a nice frothy paste. Okay, so now we remove our chicken from the water and give it a dry. And we're ready to grill. Welcome back, guys. Our chicken is done. It is looking spectacular. Look at that bad boy. Damn. I don't know if I want to eat it or what I want to do to it. Oh, son of a bitch. I want to eat it. Alright. Let's see what we do. Damn. That's pretty fabulous. That is fabulous. Wow. That's good chicken, man. That is good chicken. Anyway, guys, come on over. Take a look at the date and time. 7:02 in Temiskaming Shores. Saturday, the 25th of April. Guys, this has been another Cooking with Jon. like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well, guys. And anything you want to see me cook, throw in the comments. You think there's a better chicken recipe than that? Let's do it. I got no problems with it. I enjoy doing that sort of stuff. Anyway, guys, till next time. Bye for now.